Hello, my name is Andy Curran and I'm the Conservation Manager for HMS Belfast. I used to serve in ship's boiler rooms and I can assure you they're really noisy places. In a few seconds you're going to get a quick taste of just how noisy it could be in here, though it still won't be as nearly as loud as it actually would have been at full power.
Do you hear that? Your attention please, this is a visitor announcement. Could all those who signed up for the engine room talk please make their way to the quarterdeck, which is the first part of the ship where you came on board. That's all those who signed up for the engine room talk, please make your way to the quarterdeck, which is the part of the ship where you first came on board. The talk will be